Yeah, we're just here with Tom and Patrick here in County Kildare. So Tom's harvesting some peas today. We fitted our Farm TRX yield monitor and moisture sensor to the class machine, Thomas. So you're nearly through harvest, Tom?
Yeah, nearly there. I'd say this is the last field. Yeah, been a mixed bag of a harvest so far, but I'm sure that's the same countrywide.
Yeah. You said it all.
like that, yeah.
So it's and you're farming in County Kildare. It's barley, wheat you're growing.
Yeah, so it's a mixed cereal rotation of winter wheat, winter barley, spring barley, oilseed rape, and peas, usually for bachelors. And we were standing in a field for bachelors, but it was a poor establishment after being sown a month late. Just never really took off, to be fair.
Yeah.
And then I got a lot of regrowth in it, so I ended up having to spray it off just to get some evenness in it.
Yeah.
So it should just go for animal feed.
It'll go for animal feed now. Yeah.
Yeah. But look, sure, just we'll write off this harvest, I think.
Yeah.
Try again next year.
And your cereals, then your straw for the cereals, you sold straw farm, or are you chopping it, or?
Yeah, a mixture of both. So there is demand for it. If I can bale it and we get the weather for it, I'll happily sell it off the field.
Yeah.
But now with the chopper, it's very easy to select the chopper.
Yeah.
And incorporate it then.
Yeah. Because you were saying you upgraded your combine harvester this year, so you didn't have a chopper on your last one, or?
No.
Yeah.
No, it was everything. Had to bale everything, even the peas,
Yeah.
the rape, and sometimes it was very difficult to get rid of this row.
Yeah. And we fitted a yield monitor this year. Like, what was your reason for going for a yield monitor? I suppose for your reason of thinking towards that, is something you were thinking of for a while, or?
Yeah, exactly. So about 2 years ago, I started direct drilling, with the view to kind of maximize my inputs and minimize my expenditure. So far so good. We've had great results. And this year was a testing year for it, I must admit.
Yeah.
But then that was the same countrywide with the weather. The whole idea with the yield monitor is that I can plot yield data with the view then to use that data for variable fertilizer applications, variable seeding, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So it's the first stepping stone.
That's right. Gather a few years of data, and soil sampling. Do you think maybe it's something you'd look at picking your soil samples off of some of that data? Or?
Absolutely, yeah. So every year we sample the farm, and we like laying that information over for our new cropping plan, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But now it will help us direct us where we want a soil sample for problem areas in certain fields.
Yeah.
With more accuracy.
Yeah, exactly. We put some pinpoint locations on that with the antenna on the roof, like
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. But
But I'm very happy with the system. It works really well.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
I suppose it was quick to fit. I suppose it wasn't that we had to go rearranging your machine, whereas it was easy to fit, I suppose. And
not at all, sir.
yeah, wouldn't even know it was on it.
Before I had my coffee finished, anyway. So.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So that's great. Thanks, Tom. Hey,
Thank you.
we're finished now.